Good afternoon, friends. I would like to share another case. This is a case of 45-year male who has started his complaint on 15th April, 15th May with the vomiting, fever, high grade and cough. Patient has taken medicine from his family physician, and when he has not recovered, then he has done his COVID test, which is positive, and after that he is admitted. After admission, his fever and weakness and cough has decreased, vomiting also decreased, but breathlessness starts. And due to breathlessness, due to dyspnea, he has shifted to the ICU. Now, patient says that he has tremendous weakness. He is not able to walk also, and his cough is also started. When we had examined him and when we are taking his case, we observed that he is coughing in 2 bouts. We had observed these things 2-3 times and also instructed to the resident doctors to observe these things, and they also confirmed with us that he is continuously, whenever he is coughing in 2 bouts. Then patient has complaint of severe headache which is not relieved by any painkiller. He has to take the sedatives, and due to that headache, doctor used to give him sedative continuously, and that's why he become drowsy. And whenever he has severe headache, one more modality is there. Patient is lying on left side and then his headache is ameliorated. Patient's X-ray shows that he has left lower lobe consolidation and right lower lobe consolidation. His D-dimer is increased. His procalcitonin is increased. His serum ferritin is also too much increased. And one more thing is increased, that his platelets. His platelets become 8 lakh, which is above normal. According to this totality, we have taken 2 rubrics. One is cough in 2 paroxysms, and second is headache ameliorated by lying on left side. And with these rubrics, patient is hot, and with this analysis, we had given him Pulsatilla 200 single dose. After giving Pulsatilla, within 4 to 5 hours, patient become fresh, his headache is reduced, and he has slept without sedation. Next day morning, his breathlessness also recovered, his O2 is maintained, and then automatically he has shifted to the ward within 2 days, and patient is recovered fully, and after that patient is now having a normal life. One more thing I would like to share, that in this all process, while we are treating the all corona cases, what we had observed in mild cases where there are very few symptoms, we are finding that most of the cases have a nitron remedy. In mild to moderate cases where symptoms are developed like fever, cough, cold, fever and breathlessness, we observe that there is a lot of patients who are having need of Pulsatilla, and in advanced cases there is wonderful result of Corvobase, Cupromet and Lacases. So thank you.